If you want to install Froala into your Angular application, you can follow this simple tutorial. First, you go to our documentation page. Just so you know, Froala supports Angular 15 Plus as of today. And first thing we do is we will go down to this part, the integration with the Angular CLI, because this is how I created my application. So this is how I'll do it. I already created mine, but you can follow along with this. And first thing we'll do here is we will copy this npm command and then we'll paste it here. So I've already installed this, so this will be a bit quicker on my end. And then let's go to the app.module and then let's import the Froala Angular plugin. Go to app.module here, and then the imports, we will copy this. So we needed to import the Froala editor module, so the Angular knows that we've imported it. And then the Angular JSON file, we need to import as well, or we need to plug as well the style sheet that comes along with Froala. So you go to angular.json and then you go to styles and then you just add these things. Just gonna format it. So make sure that this is inside the styles and then you copy this one and save. Then you just copy this so we can add the Froala editor into the component. You go to app.component.html and then just paste it here, and then let's run ngserve. Go to this and it's here. This is saying hello Froala because where is it? It's here. Hello Froala. And there you go.